Hi! In this video we will see how easily you can manage your account using MyJio App. Download MyJio App from Play Store or App Store if you haven't installed it yet. With a single click, you can check your high-speed data balance and plan validity. Tap on View Details to get details about your current and upcoming plans. Tap on Check Usage to view your data, calls and SMS usage. Tap on Menu and My Statement to view and download your usage statement for past 6 months. Tap on Menu and select Recharge and Recharge History option to view your last 5 recharge transactions. Explore Jio Care section for all your queries. Use Frequently Asked Questions, How-to videos, Troubleshoot and helpful tips to manage your Jio connection. Experience the power of MyJio with everything you need at your fingertips. Thank you.